What is up, CraigerCo Classic here? I'm here. Where am I at today?
You're at the Hot Rod Holiday in Springfield, Missouri.
Pretty good show.
Oh, yeah.
It's indoors. A lot of awesome cars here. Yours is definitely one of them. It doesn't have a paint job, and most here have a paint job. Tell us about your vehicle, man. What is it?
Well, it's a 28, 29, 30, 31. You've heard the song. But last time I checked, 24 vehicles died, so this one could live. I've got parts that are borrowed and loaned. And
It's all worth the sacrifice.
Absolutely. It's just kind of something I've been playing with for the last couple of years. Put a bunch of miles on it. Wore off the front tires already.
And we're going for probably, it's mostly a 32. Is that what you call it?
It's 29.
29?
The paperwork says 29.
Maybe the frame was 32. I don't remember.
It has a 32 gas tank in the back.
Hey, there we go.
You know, just to hide some sins back there. That's cool. Yeah.
Well, how'd you get a hold of this? How'd you build it?
I've been helping a guy build hot rods for a few years, and this pretty much came out of his scrap pile, and we threw it together in a few months. Now I've got something to drive, and it ended up getting all the attention and going in the magazines, and now it's on your video, and I feel bad because his cars are really nice.
I've seen his cars. They are really nice, and yet everybody knows this, and this was the scrap pile, you said?
This was the scrap pile.
Does it have a nickname? Is it called scrap pile?
It is called glitter because
irony.
Because you cannot polish a turd, but you can roll it in glitter, so we call her glitter.
That's awesome. That's cool. You said it pieced it together, so explain some of the pieces to me. I said 32 frame, but what frame is it, do you know?
It's a 28, 29 frame. It's got a Chevy engine with an overdrive transmission, disc brakes on the front, S10 rear, 3031 headlight bar, 3031 bumper, and one of the fenders over there is for 3031, so it's a little bit longer, but nobody ever notices. We got orange wheels on this side, green wheels on the other side.
I didn't notice that until you said that to me.
The bomber seats in here, banjo steering wheel, a steering column out of a truck.
Push the button.
Push the button.
You're going to get kicked out of here, dude. Oh, well.
I've been kicked out of nicer places.
Are you think you're going to win anything today?
Oh, I brought my own trophy.
Hey, there you go. He knows. He's got the stuff written down on his palm, his hand. He knows how to say it. So he got big fame for putting a giant skeleton in the back of your car, and it was at a couple shows locally.
There was half a 12-foot skeleton in the back of my car. It stood about 9 foot tall in the back of the car, and we had him up to 60 miles an hour. He was just hanging on for dear life.
I like that you kept like the wood part on the convertible and stuff. I really...
The roof and the seats came out of a Roadster that was built in 1958 that has been restored, and these kind of were things that were just wall hangers, so they came out of the scrap pile because they look better in here than they do on the wall.
But what are you going to do to it next?
Drive it.
That's awesome.
Whatever breaks gets fixed. We've got several other cars we're building right now, and this one's done. Cool.
Can we see what is it called? Bomber seat, jumper seat? What is that?
The rumble seat?
Rumble seat. There it is.
Smack it like the fawn. It's kind of like having give me a hand. Boss.
Yeah, give me a hand.
Round of applause. No.
Well, that...
Ex-girlfriend, ex-wife, I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. Well, what's under the hood?
Crusty small block Chevy. It smokes a little bit, but that's part of the charm. It had the chrome kind of painted brown on it, and so it looks kind of match the car. So you don't want to peek through the side of the hood there and see a bunch of chrome. So we uglied it up a little bit. Another one, that's a small block Chevy. Just they grow in trees.
Put an LS in it next.
We have a couple of those too. That's planned for my coupe though.
I think you should do flathead.
Flathead. Love flatheads. We're building one with a flathead in it right now.
Yeah, I saw that. It's beautiful. Man.
The coupe, or the Roadster that these came out, I've got a flathead. So.
Well, hey, we just said it's a popular car. Is there any place on social media that they can find this?
No, it does not have its own web page.
You should.
I should, but I don't.
Web page. What is this? 1998.
Can you
Interweb.
Can you put me in the newspaper?
Walk around Springfield, you'll find it.
Yeah, just walk around Springfield, Missouri. You'll find it.
Ask anybody in Springfield; they know where to find me.
That's cool, man. What's your name again?
My name's Brad.
Hey guys, if you ever see this, his name's Brad. He loves talking about his car. Come on down to Springfield, Missouri. Are you going to bring this to next year's show?
Unless I got another one done.
Ooh.
Then I might have to bring two. We'll see.
You're going to have another one done?
It could happen.
Cool. What's the next show you're going to go to this next year?
Oh, the year's over. We're talking
you go to all of them next year then.
I think in the spring, the Stray Cat 500 in Dewey. Is that one of the first ones?
What about the one in Starbird?
Starbird, definitely be a Starbird. That's Valentine's Day, isn't it?
February something?
You know what you're getting for Valentine's Day?
Yeah. A trip to Tulsa.
Trip to Tulsa.
All righty, cool, man. I'll let you get back to the show, brother. I appreciate your time, man. It's an awesome card. See ya.
See you around.
shaking with jive, boy, and shout. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shout. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, 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 you shout. When it hits you, yes.